All right, happy Monday, everyone. I just packed all that up. Normally, I'd be filming a What Sold video on that, but I'm actually starting a new series today. So like I just said, it's currently Monday, and on Friday, I actually just bought a house warehouse combo, something I've been looking for a long time if you guys have been following the channel. I currently rent this warehouse, and I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, as you will see in the series, because this is a little bit of a fixer-upper, but I got a really good price on it at an auction, so I thought it would be kind of cool to show you guys what it looks like now, and then I'll film videos throughout the entire process. So I got to get all that to the post office, and then let's head out and take a look at the brand new house warehouse. All right, so like I said, it's a fixer-upper. We got the siding on most of the front here, but not this part. We got to finish the siding there. Long story, I'm not going to get into the details of it, but obviously it was mid-renovation and they did not finish it. Nice little living room. This actually used to be a garage that they converted. This was honestly one of the toughest parts, so that's pretty cool that that's done. Little fireplace there, TV action right there soon. Floors are almost done, just gotta do the transitions. This is obviously the house part. I'm gonna go through it very quick because you guys probably only care about the warehouse. Then we've got two unfinished things. I'm just recording everything honestly for myself. I have not seen this yet actually. Got a little storage area there, I guess. We just got a bedroom here that needs like completely finished, trim, everything, paint. And then a bathroom here that also just needs finished. Let's come back through here to the kitchen. Kitchen's honestly almost done. We're very confused why they took this and moved it out and now the flooring needs done. I think they wanted to open up space maybe, so either put new flooring down, which I'll show you, everything's in the garage to finish it. Either put new flooring down or move this back. I guess we just have to decide how that is. But the kitchen, honestly, nice counters and everything. Let's come down the hallway here. Oh, just got a basement with some crawl space. Not a huge basement because they obviously added on. This is the only area that's done, but this is the little living quarters here. Look at this wood. Look how much room for activities there are in this walk-in closet. Turn some lights on. Pretty sweet little walk-in closet. And then we got the bedroom here. Just needs the bed. It's nice they left everything set up. Room for a TV right there. You can tell this is what they did first because this area is really nice. Oh, we got the shower with the rain shower. That's sweet. I've never had a bidet before, but I guess I'll be giving that a whirl. And there's a little walkout with a hot tub built into the deck. You kidding me? Look at all that room for fun for Sunny. I didn't even realize they left the little stools here in the kitchen. That's nice. They left me some pots and pans too. Sweet. You'll see they left a lot in the garage. And then in here we got another bedroom with another bath. This is all finished actually, so that's nice. Just needs a little paint. I think this is a pantry, yeah. Pretty cool. The kitchen's right over there, so it kind of makes sense why you got a little pantry right here. And then this is the washer and dryer. I don't know what's over here, maybe more storage. Yeah, just some more storage. Oh, they left me a vacuum? What the heck? Let's go. So this room, the one, sorry if this is echoey, I didn't bring my mic. The one that has the washer and dryer here. I actually want to make this an office, even though it has that. Just because it's right there by the warehouse. I'll show you guys in a second. I'm going to build a breezeway between the two. So we got the doors like 10 feet apart. I'm going to connect the two buildings and then I'll have two offices because you'll see there's one office out there. But I just want to kind of keep this as like a holding room. It's nice that it's got like a little bathroom. In the future, it'll probably just turn into a bedroom. But while I have the space, I'm going to turn it into a second office / laundry room, apparently. All right, so let's show you that. As you can see, that's the entrance to the warehouse. We got about a 10-foot walk here. And I'm going to build a nice little breezeway that connects those two. Also, you can see I got a second deck out here. Take a look at that first, actually. It's interesting that the two decks aren't connected, and they left me a chair. What the heck? For less mowing, I kind of want to connect these. I don't know how that'll work with that, so we'll see. But we got some nice decks, got some nice area for Sunny to play. Now let's take a look at the warehouse. This is a nice little office. This was one of the biggest reasons I bought this property, which they left me a ton of stuff in here, by the way. So look at that. They left me 2 monitors, a desk, a Brother printer that I'm not sure that it works or not, although it looks barely used. Just got some cobwebs on it. Obviously just got to clean up all this, but this was a big reason why I bought it. Like I said, I mean, look at this view, like while I pack. You're probably like, where are you gonna put everything? Well, I can put some stuff there, I can put some stuff there. And then I got this whole room here. Come in here, look at this. Tons of places to store stuff. Again, they left a ton of stuff in here. And then let's come into the big area. Sorry if you hear some chirps in the background. I gotta get a ladder and change that. The batteries are going on it. But here we have it. A lot of the lights need replaced and stuff, but you can see we have a lot to, oh wait. Okay, not as many. I probably just haven't hit all the switches. But this is actually a bigger space than the current space that I'm using, slightly bigger, because you'll see there's a little back section. But this is obviously going to be the area I store all of my inventory. So the plan is my dad and I are going to build a bunch of those racks out of like 2x4s. There it is, I'm sorry. I really gotta change that, it's really annoying me. It goes off every like 5 minutes. But we're gonna build those out of like 2x4s that hold the like 27-gallon tubs from Sam's Club and Costco. And I'll be able to fit a ton in here as well as shoes. One thing that I do want to change, so I think they were a painter, and they also did a lot of woodworking and stuff, but I want to take this rack out just because it's kind of in the way, so I'll probably sell that on Facebook. And then like I said, they were actually in the middle of a remodel and left all the supplies. So all the siding, there's some gutters there, literally everything I need to finish. Even the cabinets for the kitchen are right there. So obviously, once I clear all this out, then I can move the inventory over. I'm not even gonna try to do that until like the new year. We're gonna try to make this place really nice before I move everything in. And I wouldn't wanna move mid-quarter 4 or when it's snowing in like January or February. So this is probably like a March, April, May-ish kind of time. As you can see, they left a ton of stuff as well. Even actually in this back room, there's a bathroom in here as well. Look at that, they left 2 like air compressors. I think that's what those are. Almost brand new Cobalt. So I got to do a lot of selling of some stuff as well as over here. I'm gonna actually use this for our project first and then I might end up keeping it, but they left like a nice circular saw. Pretty sweet. And some other random stuff, but you can see all the supplies and everything are in here. There's some flooring, I think, and then there's even more flooring. Like once I'm done with all that, I can just sell it all. That is all flooring. And then we got this back room here. This actually used to be a paint shop, I think, but this will be where I store the mower and everything. And I also want to put a golf simulator in right there. So we'll just have to see. A lot of copper wire and stuff too that I can sell right here. Maybe someone wants to set up or I can just sell the copper, but a lot of junk and crap to get rid of as well. So we got to figure all that out. But this is the main space that I am really excited about and how close it is to the house that I can just connect that door right there with a breezeway. So long way to go, but hopefully you guys will enjoy this series. This has been episode 1 of the House Warehouse series. The space should be looking pretty nice here in like 6 months to a year when everything is moved over into here as well. Again, all honor and glory to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I'm so grateful to have been able to purchase a property like this, and it's all due to him. I'm also extremely grateful to my parents and just thankful for everything that they've given me. But most importantly, everything God has blessed me with. I would not be where I am today without him in my life. Let me know what you guys think of the space, and if you have any cool ideas or anything I can do with any of it. Until next time, there's money to be made everywhere. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.